Alright, welcome back to BA Liquidation. This time we are opening one of the Walgreens baseball packs. Baseball Collector's Edge here. 1 in 8 contain a hit. Look for randomly inserted cards, packs, parallels, autographs, and more. I've heard very mixed things about these things. If they're worth even buying or not. Wow, there's a lot of glue on there. Let's see what we get in here. Oh, got another Donruss baseball pack I just opened a little bit ago. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Maybe we'll get a Griffey Diamond Kings reverse fractor. Let's see. Alright, puzzle piece. We got Pete Harwich, Terry Kennedy, Mitch Felder, Billy Hatcher, Willie Wilson, R.J. Reynolds, Mark Carrera, Nelson Santiago, Alan Trammell MVP, alright, Bobby Witt Sr., Glenn Davis, Luis Cazones checklist, Kurt Wilkerson, Franklin Stubby, Mark Guthrie. Alright, pretty much nothing there. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we got a Tim Hudson. That's not bad. We got J. Ving Send. Nope, never heard of you. We have Hank Blaylock. Alright, he was okay. One point in time. We have... can't even read this card. Rob Makowick. Never heard of you. Jason Schmidt. You were okay. Autographed. D.J. Hall, rookie. Raleigh Fingers, base card, Donruss there. Zach Davies, Zach Gallen, Luis Rodriguez, Kevin Apier, Corey Snyder, Tom Goodwin, League Leaders, who's this? Sammy Sosa. Oh, okay, that's a cool card. Put that up there. Matt Williams. We have Topps Heritage here, Carlos Lee, Louis Tion. Alright, that's not bad. What year is this? This is 1981. Not bad. Cool card. Louis Tion. Jesse Orozco, Randy Myers, Jason Varitek. Alright, awesome. I'm a Red Sox fan, so that's a nice card for me. Paul Mirabelli, Mike Pagliarello, Gary Templeton, John Costello, Steve Balboni, Drew Hall, Todd Worrell, Mike Cuckrow, Dave Schmidt, Carlos Beltran, alright, John Mabry, Bubba Trammell, Ken Caminiti. You were something at some point. Carlos Guillen, Ron Belliard, Rod Carew Kmart card, 1982, I believe those are. That's a cool one. Another Kmart one. This is Steve Garvey, nice card. All right, another Rod Carew, nice. All right, I got a Tino Martinez, Matt Wagner, Sean Estes, Marie Valdez, Bobby Bonilla, Randy Bush, and Neil Heaton. All right. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think.